Hi, I'm Crystal Hart from the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement, and today we're going to look at some free online tutoring opportunities. Do you ever feel like you get stuck at home and you don't know who to ask? Wish you had someone to help you? RUSD now offers Paper, a free online tutoring service. Paper gives you access to live tutors via chat 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You have unlimited sessions, and their tutors can help you with any academic subject. First, you'll need to log in to your Clever portal and then click on the Paper tutoring icon. Paper is super easy to use. You will open up to a dashboard. Click on the content area you would like help with, or you can type in your question. Paper even has an essay review feature. Once you're connected with a tutor, a live person will start a chat with you. The first time that you use Paper, you will need to sign a code of conduct. Your code of conduct includes classroom etiquette, essay review guidelines, internet safety, and academic integrity. After you sign the code of conduct, you will begin a chat with your tutor. Tutors do not give answers, but they will help guide you to the correct answer. You will be able to use a whiteboard to show your work and have a conversation with the tutor. Once you've solved your first question, they are there to help you if you need help with another question.